Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Google Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Wallet application from your device, and when you open it up, you will directly be asked to choose your Google account amongst the Google accounts that you have added onto your device. If you don't already have a Google account that you have added, then you might be asked to log into any one of your Google accounts. Just use your email address and your password, or choose your Google account from the account selection menu, and once you select your account, you will be logged into your Google Wallet account right away, and you will end up within the dashboard. Just click on the Add to Wallet option, and you will now be able to add various items such as your payment cards, your transport passes, gift card, photos, as well as loyalty points within your wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.